Namaskar. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, Prerna, your host, extend a very warm welcome to a musical, soulful, majestic evening, set up especially for all of you. Thank you so much for joining us. आज आप सब यहाँ पर समय निकाल कर आए हैं, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Ladies and gentlemen, let me assure you that today is going to be one of the most beautiful and memorable evening of your life. Marvel of Jugalbandi is a live concert tour in Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore. It's a celebration of the true spirit of Jugalbandi or a duet, a classic music format which is a big favorite with all audiences. This concert involves the Jugalbandi of traditional Indian instruments, sitar and sarod, which have been part of the Indian classical music for over hundreds of years and are considered to be two of the most difficult instruments to master. Sitar and sarod are in many ways ideal to be paired for a classic duet. The long-standing sitar and sarod are now a rarity in the world of Indian classical music. Lakshay Mohan and Ayush Mohan bring to this tour some of their finest repertoire and true essence of a classical duet. The Marvel of Jugalbandi tour begins from here, from Delhi. It will be happening in Mumbai on 22nd September and in Bangalore on 2nd October 2017. So block your calendar. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to invite on stage the accompanying artist. On the tabla, we have Sri Ramendra Singh Solanki, who belongs to the Ajrara Gharana and is the son and disciple of Pandit Ajay Singh Solanki. Please welcome him. Sri Ramendra Singh Solanki. On the tabla, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to you. On the pakhavaj, we have the renowned maestro Pandit Akhilesh Gundecha. He has performed in prestigious events across the globe and has accompanied the top artists of the country. Please welcome Maestro Pandit Akhilesh Gundecha on the pakhavaj. A very warm welcome to you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, inviting on stage the stars of the evening, Lakshay Mohan and Ayush Mohan. Lakshay Mohan on sitar and Ayush Mohan on sarod. A very warm welcome to the stars and the artists, ladies and gentlemen. Though they don't need any introduction, but still let me do the honors. Lakshay Mohan and Ayush Mohan have gained immense following amongst music lovers across the country for past few years due to their unique presentation of sitar and sarod duet. They've been acknowledged as one of the most greatest cultural motivators and icons among the young generation for preserving and propagating Indian classical music. Ladies and gentlemen, they were the first Indians to be invited to perform at the Grammy Museum, Los Angeles. India Today hailed them as harbingers of classical music in 2016. Their album, The Hidden Harmony, was nominated at the prestigious Global Indian Music Academy Awards. In 2016, their music tour, The Golden Symphony, with Grammy-winning American cellist Barry Phillips gained popularity all across the country due to its unique collaboration of Indian and Western tradition. This tour also saw their emergence as talented composers when their composition, which involved fusion of an Indian classical raga with influences from German composer Bach cello suites, was acclaimed by music lovers and connoisseurs. Ladies and gentlemen, they have performed across the globe at various prestigious events and venues, some of which are the Grammy Museum, Los Angeles, Learn Quest Music Conference, Boston, David and Dorothea Garfield Theatre, San Diego, Abbey Theatre, Dublin, Savai Gandharv Festival, Pune, Gunidas Sangeet Sammelan, Mumbai, Saptak Festival, Ahmedabad, Taj Mahotsav, Agra, and the list goes on. Lakshay and Ayush are known to connect to all kinds of listeners while preserving and incorporating old musical compositions and techniques in their playing. They have many best-selling albums to their credit, like The Echoes from the Yellow Land, The Majestic Court, Renaissance, to name a few. We'll start, as I said, with the stars of the evening. Lakshay Mohan, Ayush Mohan, and now, without any further ado, let's begin the much-awaited soulful musical evening. Over to the esteemed set of artists on the stage. Thank you so much. आपसे नहीं है ऊपर कोई आज की तारीख में, अल्फाज कम पड़ जाते हैं आपकी तारीफ में। अगर बस चलता हमारा तो बंद करके रख लेते आपको ताबीज में। जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं देवियों सज्जनों। Thank you so much for gifting us this beautiful, memorable evening to cherish for years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, the journey has just started. The next concert will be happening in Mumbai on 22nd September and in Bangalore on 2nd October 2017. We would like to thank our sponsors, Yepme and Classic Tessa, Action Tessa, and how can we forget our wonderful, beautiful audience for encouraging and motivating them throughout the concert. Thank you so much. Have a great evening ahead and take good care of yourself. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening ahead.